ng statement.
Ano sabihin ko?
About the event po. About the event. About the event.
Okay, this is successful. Thanks to batch 89 and all my batches here. They are batch 76. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Salamat po. Kuya, hindi po ako ng statement from you. Hindi po ako ng statement. How you feel tonight?
Statement daw. Ano? Statement daw. Si Pagboy. Pagboy na, magsalita ka na. Ito mga general ba? Ito mga general, ito. Wala, yung mga general. Iingi lang daw ng statement ng mga general yung ang video.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Ayaw ko, tanong mo sa kanya. Batch natin ang tatlong general.
Apat. Si Yuso, general na ba?
Si Perdi Yusuf. Apat na general.
Good evening. This is batch 76. Sa batch 76, apat kami pumasok sa PMA. Apat din kaming general ngayon. Ako ang pinaka-senior. Yung dalawang kasama ko ron, puro one-star general, ako lang two-star general. Si Yuson, I think he's also one-star general. So, kudos to Lourdes. Maganda yung kanilang upbringing sa atin. Thank you. Salamat po. Salamat po. Hindi po ako ng statement. I will survive. Broken heart. Teacher namin to, teacher.
Ha?
Ikaw ang teacher namin kami.
Ay, ako. Salita? Mercado. Okay na? Ay, ako. Ikaw na lang. Ano? Yeah! Ayun! Yung kasi niya?
She passed away, no that?
I know. How are you? I didn't recognize you. Pero yun ang
Every time before. Your room.
Yeah, and yung classmate. Joffre Panty.
He passed away.
Kilala ko siya. Bakit? Kilala ko. De Leon.
Oo nga, di ba?
Oo. Nagpa-party ako noon. Nagpa-party ako sa kanila. Dati. Ano?
Maraming salamat. Kuya, bigyan po ako ng statement. How you feel tonight?
Great! I finally saw my friends after 40 years. Bill, the big foot.
Yeah, thank you for inviting us. We're glad to be here. Salamat po. Naipit po. Naipit. Ayan, salamat. Hello, good evening. Hingi ako ng statement from you. Hingi ako ng statement from you. How do you feel tonight? Kuya, hingi ako ng statement from you.
Mr. Rico Porra! Mr. Rico Porra will make a statement. Mr. President.
Kuya, hingi po ako ng statement from you. Hingi po ako ng statement from you. Enjoy yourself. Magaling. Thank you to the organizers. Hope to be back here for our golden 10 years from now. Thank you. Salamat po. Hingi po ako ng statement from your batch. Hingi ako ng statement from your batch.
Wala akong bolis eh.
Congratulations to Batch 89 for hosting this homecoming. You support from Batch 92. Maraming salamat. Hello, kuya. Hingi po ako ng statement. How you feel tonight po?
68? Yeah, we're from batch 68. I'm Tony Makapagal. Batch
Chito, nagyat. Class 16.
Batch 82.
Thank you. Success. Maraming salamat. Hingi naman ako ng statement from your group.
Ano daw?
Hingi ako ng statement. Congratulations, batch 89! Nandito ang batch 93 para supportahan kayo! Supportahan nyo rin kami sa 2018! Go Logicians! Thank you, thank you! Hingi ako ng statement from your group. Hingi ako ng statement. Hingi ako ng short statement from your group tonight. Glad to be here. It's great to see old faces as well as the old acquaintances, and it's just good to see each other, administration, students, and the school itself. Just great to be here tonight. Thank you. Oh, other batch 84. Okay. Thank you. Batch 82. Hingi naman ako ng statement from you.